So they will discuss about the DT based concept about the inheritance. So in our institution we have to follow the DT based structure. So this will include the empathy, define, ideate, prototype and test. So these are all the 5 stages. So in this we have to find out the problem statement and also give the conclusion for the particular statement using n number of time given the input to the particular statements, and we have to find out the better solution for that problem. So in my my students chosen the inheritance problem to find out the solution for the particular statement in this DT based concepts.
Hello everyone, just tell me about the empathy. So in today's world, common entities share different information. That is, in a college there will be 2 members, that is teachers and students. They have same data type but different information. That is, the name for the both is the same, but the teachers have salary and points, whereas the students have roll number and marks. That is, the data types are the same but the informations are different. But now, how can we build the information? Yeah, in this time we should use the method, that is the inheritance. By using inheritance, we can store different data types in different methods but the same information. Where the inheritance is used here by using the keyword extends in the Java programming. It's the OOPS concept. So, could you define the problem?
Okay, I am going to define about the problem statement. Okay, we need a system that avoids repeating common code and also that reuses a person definition from both of the student and the teacher, because they are having a same name, same data type but the different information, and also allows each subclasses to allow their own behavior.
Yeah, I am here to tell the ideate problem for the solutions and the plan solution with inheritance. Create a base class with persons with the different attributes and methods. Create a subclass for the class students and the teachers. For the teachers, adds a roll number and the marks, and for the teachers, add the subject and salary. Use inheritance to share the extend functionality for both of the persons.
So I am explaining the prototype. Prototype means we convert the idea to the working model. So identify the base class by creating the student's name, age, address, etc. So create derived classes, students like address, roll number, marks, and teachers like adds, subject and their salaries. So use constructors and super keywords. So by using constructor we can use the code for many times and add specialized methods like display student of and display teacher of for unique details. Test with object. So the create object for the many times so that we no need to use the code for many times. Outcome, the prototype shows how inheritance helps to find the students' details and teachers' details in easiest way.
And the design thinking, we have to see the 5th stage of design thinking. It is the testing. Testing is nothing but once we have to create a prototype and then we give the multiple input to the prototype and testing the output and verified. In this conclusion, this is the design thinking. Applied the design thinking to inheritance in Java. Empathy, empathize, realize both students and teachers share common traits. Define, avoid duplicating by creating a common base classes. Ideate, plan the inheritance with persons as superclasses. Prototype, prototype is creating a working model in using a Java. Testing, we have to verify output with the help of the prototype. Thus, inheritance in the Java helps in reusability, scalability, and better system design while reducing the redundancy.
Yeah, coming to the conclusion, by using this inheritance, we can easily split the data types. That is, the data types are the same, but the information are different. So, by using the inheritance, that is in OOPS concept, inheritance is coming with a super keyword in the is called extend. So, by using this, we can split the information. That is the same data type, the information is same. We can easily give the information securely and easily.
So for the last, my students, they discussed about the DT based problem statement. So they have to define the teacher and student information related with each other. So they have to create, they have to use the inheritance method for deriving the data types and the attributes methods from a one class from another class. So they choose the inheritance as a solution for deriving the statements. So they will explain like they have to create a class name as teacher, and they have to given the attributes for this class, and they have also created class student, and they have to extract the information from the class name as teacher. So all the informations are extracted to the student class from the teacher class. So these are all described here. So they use the DT based method empathy define to identify the problem statement clearly, and they have to given the n number of inputs to the particular information, and they have to test the problem statement one by one, and they have to give more input information to testing to define the better solution for that particular problem statements. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.